Hey, so if you want your booking page to look professional and feel more personalized, yeah, Calendly lets you fully customize it. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to customize your Calendly booking page in 2026. First thing, log into Calendly and open your event type. This is the meeting you want to customize. Next, click Edit or Customize. So, this opens all your booking page settings. All right, update your title and description. This is what people see before they book you. So make it clear and simple. Now add your branding. Upload a logo, choose colors, and make it match your personal or business style. Next, set your availability. So choose when people are allowed to book your meetings. All right, add custom questions. This helps you collect info before the meeting, like name, email, or purpose. And yeah, preview your booking page and save everything. Always double check how it looks before sharing it. So that's how you customize your Calendly booking page. Once it's set up, it looks professional and makes booking much easier.